Welcome back, everybody. What I have from myself here is a MacBook. This is the 13-inch, 12-inch. I can't, and I don't know the model number right off the top of my head. But the customer spilled water or some liquid in there, and you can see here. You can actually see corrosion right there. I don't know how well it'll pick up, but the battery is definitely shorted out. I disconnected the battery. It wasn't working for the longest time. They couldn't get into the MacBook because they had actually stripped a couple of the screws. So I actually had to take a Dremel multi-tool and scuff up the back, do a little cut, and so that I can get it out with a flathead screwdriver. But I got it to turn on, but there's a lot of operating system issues. And so what I'm going to try to do is I'm going to try to clean up the corrosion, take out the battery, see if a new battery will work. It does boot up. The OS is still, I believe it's El Capitan. But I'm going to blow this out. It's really dirty. The fan wasn't spinning, so I'm not sure what the issue is. It could be that my 10,000 RPM fan is cooling it off. But let's see if we can do anything with this laptop, see if we can salvage it for the customer. Okay, so basically what I had to do was I knew that the power turned on, so the computer powers on, and we're getting internet errors and such. The SSD is only 120 gig, and it's basically full. This had a lot of food stuff in there. It's a shared computer, so it was shared with the family and the owner. So I put in the customer's battery that they ordered off Amazon, and yes, you are not mistaken. It's a pure dick battery. A pure dick battery, A1582, so 11.36 volts at the capacity 6,600 milliamps, so a huge battery capacity. The old battery I've already packed up and it was shorted out. It's very hard to get the battery out of this without kind of damaging the middle port here, because right beneath the battery, or on top of the battery, is actually the touchpad. It's separated by a thin film, and if you put alcohol in there, you may damage it. If you put some kind of solvent on there, you may damage it. If you put heat on there, you may damage it, or the battery will blow up. It's just really, 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 really tricky. You just have to be patient, go at it with some pick tools and such, or plastic pick tools, and not damage anything by prying too much and bending everything, because it's stuck on there with adhesive. Okay, it's like a cell phone battery, a Samsung cell phone battery. I did clean off a lot of the I'll turn on the light again. I cleaned off the corrosion, so the corrosion is gone. Most of it is gone, and so the touchpad works again. I'm going to try to back up their data, and we'll finish reinstalling the battery first, put back the speakers, and then I'll close it up the best I can, and then I'll save their data and do a reinstallation of Mac OS and update it to the newest version of the operating system, which is I think it's still Catalina at the moment. So they come back and the computer will be in fine running shape.